white.
All right, guys. Any other questions? Comments?
I surrender.
All right, guys, at this time, follow your referee. Everyone in your team, look to your referee. He will take you to the check-on area, and we will get you guys playing.
Have fun, guys.
Does everybody know? Cool. Things are rolling. Yeah, go. No.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's John out here at SC Village. We're just checking on right now with the Blizzard private group. We're up with 130 plus people. They're out here with 6 different groups. We're playing team on team. It's a competition all day. They got bussed in with 3 different buses. It's an awesome day. Beautiful weather, lots of people. They're all gonna have some fun. Let's do this. SC Village #1.